Yup. Yup. Yup.
Hey y'all, so today we're having ladies night at my house. So my mother, my aunt, my sisters, my niece come over and we're gonna just drink some hot cocoa, watch some movies, and have girl talk. Just got ready, putting everything together. Everybody's bringing a meal over, so we're doing like a potluck style. Oh, I set up my little cocoa station, and then I also have some pork chicken that's in a crock pot. Let me show y'all my little cocoa station. I don't know, I'm so excited. I love hanging out with my family and just doing little fun things. So here is my little cocoa station. We have our little flake, our little cups we got from Nordstrom's last year, if y'all remember in the vlog. But oh yeah, this cocoa is peppermint cocoa. A spoon to scoop it out with, and I just have regular packs of chocolate cocoa. This is milk chocolate and dark chocolate back here, some sugar, because some people still like to put sugar in their cocoa. I am one of those people. If it's not sweet enough, I will put sugar in it. I have just some regular marshmallows in here. That's for everybody. I'm gonna show you the ones I use for myself. And then I have a coconut whipped topping, whipped cream. I don't think nobody is dairy free besides myself, so I'm gonna put a couple of these out for myself. These will be my marshmallows. Of course, anybody can have them if they want to. They're just vegan marshmallows, dairy free. So no artificial flavors, colors, corn syrup, gelatin, and dairy. So I think this little station is the cutest thing. So freaking cute. And if you hear that noise, that's my space heater going off. Sorry about that. We have our little winter candles over here. I'm gonna light them in a minute when everybody comes through. We just got this one from Aldi's last night. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. If y'all like winter scented candles, pine and all that, you will like this. So right here I just have chicken breast. I just put my chicken in crock pot, let it cook. When it's done, I shred it with a fork. So I just brought this from Aldi's, and I'm gonna make it my own. Put that in the pot right now. Put some apple cider vinegar in with it, some brown sugar, and I might put a little hot sauce in it to give it a kick.
Coffee at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the end. I was at the end. Make me feel like that. That's what I'm doing. Let me feel it out. Oh, tell me I'm a sign.
And I wanted the mini sliders, so I brought some slider buns, Pepperidge Farm. Oh, that's so good. Sweet Hawaiian.
I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's loving that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's loving that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's loving that you want, oh baby, but I love you more, boy, right now, baby. But I love you more, boy. Right now, baby. But I love you more, boy. Right now, baby. But I love you more, boy. But I love you more, boy. Stay slowly high road. Yeah.
Ladies night, we got our cold comes. Oh, hey everybody. Wait a minute. Cheers. Eye contact. Ladies night. Say ladies night. Ladies night. My cheers. Ladies night. Cheers. Everybody in tails. Everybody cheers. I gotta get your whole shot. I gotta go back a little bit. Cheers, you guys. Ladies night. All right. Cheers. There you go. Cheers. Cheers. Tell us cheers to mama.
Just finished eating my catfish po' boy. I showed y'all the picture or the video of that. It was so good. So I'm getting ready to do my unboxing of my items that Suja sent to me. So thank you, Suja, for providing me with the drinks that I'm going to show y'all in this video. I absolutely love Suja products. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I love Suja. So let me start unboxing. This is cute. The little box is cute. It says Suja Love pamphlet. What's the pamphlet talking about? Their juices, the shots, and cold pressed drinks. This is what they sent me. So let me start taking them out, and I'll go over them with you. So I took everything out of my box. So I'm gonna go through what Suja sent me this time. So they sent me their sparkling waters. This one is pineapple orange, grapefruit, citrus, blueberry ginger, and strawberry passion fruit. This drink is the immunity drink, and it has strawberry guava, gut health, it has pineapple coconut. This one is new for me. Hydrating beauty, blueberry and lychee. Oh, that sounds good. And this one I can't wait to try too. It's a detox matcha mint. I haven't tried these two before, so I'm excited to try those. Carrot and mango, another immunity. Energized focus, raspberry and lemon. And then we have gut health. It has elderberry and ginger. I don't think I tried that one either. So I'm excited to try some of these new drinks that I have from Suja. And the rest of these on this side right here are their cold pressed drinks. It's a citrus immunity. It has purified water, orange, pineapple, mango, and coconut. If you hear that bell, that's my cat Nino running around shaking his bell. Fuel has carrots, orange, pineapple, apple, and lemon. I had this one before. It was really good. Lemon Love. It has purified water, lemon, stevia, and cayenne. I thought I wouldn't like it because I don't like stevia, but it was really good. This is a turmeric Love. It has purified water, lemon, turmeric, pineapple, and passion fruit. And these are the green drinks. So this is celery juice, just straight celery juice. That's it. This one, Uber Greens. It has cucumbers, celery, grapefruit, green chard, lettuce. It says Green Delight, and it has apple, banana, mango, lemon, and kale. Last two drinks. This one is organic water, and this is another Strawberry Love. And this is Vibrant Probiotic. It has purified water, strawberry, raspberry, lemon, and honey. These are all the drinks that I have from Suja. So thanks again, Suja, for providing me with all these drinks. I absolutely love Suja. And if you haven't had any of their drinks, I would definitely say try them out. Give them a try. Also, try their mini shots. They're good as well. I'll probably start tomorrow because as you saw tonight, well, it is in the evening, and I already had my little greasy fried catfish po' boy. So tomorrow, I'll start over with being healthy. Today, I just didn't feel like cooking, and I had a taste for that. Now, this catfish po' boy was so freaking good. I only ate half and most of my fries, and my boyfriend, I don't think I showed y'all, but he had some hot Obey wings. Whatever, good. So it's been 2 weeks since I had an ear infection, and it's still 2.5 weeks, and my right ear still hurts. So I'm back at my doctor. It's been a week since I seen my primary care doctor, so I'm back here trying to see what's going on. I took all my medicine that was prescribed to me, and I still can't hear out this ear. So hopefully nothing serious is going on. Maybe they need to prescribe some stronger medication. I don't know, but waiting for her to come. Just get back in the car. Basically my doctor said that my sinuses are really horrible. That when she looked at my nose was very inflamed and red, and I might have to have surgery. But we're going to do take some other steps before I have to have surgery, because I don't want to have surgery on my nose. So she recommends some nasal spray, and she's giving me some steroids to help with the inflammation. And if that doesn't help, then she wants me to go see a allergist and do a patch test to see what I am allergic to, because right now she thinks it's just dust and possibly my cat. If it's my cat, then oh well, I'm just going to have the allergies because I'm not getting rid of my baby. So we're going to see. I got an oil change. And usually when I get my oil change, I like to get my tires rotated. And since I got my tires from Sam's Club, I have to do everything that deals with my tires at Sam's Club, or it's going to make my warranty not valid. If y'all saw my vlog like a couple months ago, I cannot stand Sam's Club, the one that I go to. The only reason why I go there because it's the closest one in my area. But they never answer the phone. And when I go there, I take forever, probably 15 minutes for somebody from the auto department to even come to the desk to service me. But I have to go there and make an appointment, get my tires rotated. Yeah, I like to do my tire rotation and my oil change around the same time. And on top of that, I don't know nothing about tires and everything, but they need my car for the whole day. That is ridiculous. All I'm getting is a rotation and probably put air in it. Usually I don't have nothing wrong with my tires. So why do I drop my car off at 8 o'clock in the morning and it's ready at 6 p.m.? That's crazy to me that they need my car for the whole day. That's another thing that I have to schedule it on my day off and make sure I don't have no plans, because I can't go nowhere because Sam's Club want to have my car for the whole day one day. So for me to make an appointment to get my tires rotated, I was just in Sam's Club for 30 minutes. I went in at 3 o'clock, it's 3:30. I told y'all this Sam's Club that I go to is a freaking mess. Next time I get some tires, I would definitely go somewhere else. And this lady was in there complaining about her car, so I think they messed up her rims. I wasn't trying to be nosy, and plus I really can't hear anyway out my right ear right now. But they messed up the daggone lady rims. She's talking about when she came to get her car, nobody was making eye contact, so she felt funny. And before she signed off on the paperwork, she was like, let me go see the car. And they messed up her rims. I guess they couldn't get the tires off, so they just did whatever they had to do to pull them off and messed up the daggone lady rims. This Sam's Club get on my last nerve. Like I said, since I already got my tires from here, I think it's been 2 years. It's going on 2 years this winter that I had these tires. And so I'm going to have to pay somebody else for service. I go here. But I know one thing, when I get some more tires, I would never, ever, ever get it from a Sam's Club. They are horrible. Horrible. I was just in there literally for 30 minutes just to make an appointment. Nothing else, just to make a freaking appointment. That is crazy to me. What is this? Alright, let me finish doing what I gotta do. Crazy.
Cause it feels nice.